Okay guys, today we're going to be playing with this slime.
Guys, I'm back. My brother's filming. So this slime, I got it and look, I grabbed scissors.
Don't cut that.
It's cool. Okay, we have these little cool sprinkles here. I opened them in this bag with trusty scissors. They always get dirty, so we have to wash them, but
Can you hold the phone?
yeah. Okay guys, I'm on film now. Here you go.
Here, you hold the phone.
Guys,
So, you can stretch it out.
yeah, it's super cool. I was so excited to play with it, and it's so fun. The sprinkles are so cute too.
Oh yeah, I think I know what these sprinkles are for.
It's for the slime.
Yeah, let's put them on.
Okay.
Let's just dump them on.
Yeah, just dump. Okay,
Oh, we have some that, hold on.
just mix it together.
Then,
Tomorrow, this way guys, tomorrow we don't have school for 4 days. And
because
I'm
it's
so
fall
happy.
break.
Yep, it's fall break. Hope you have a very fun fall break, guys. Oh guys, and June and Ruby are so lazy. Ruby, our cat, June, our dog. Do you want me to try?
Yeah, you try.
Okay, my brother's going to film now. Okay.
And the main person of the channel who made it.
Yeah, I'm just his helper. Yeah. Oh, these are. I think.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Wait, what am I doing?
Okay.
Something's on the back of the phone. Yeah, I think I got it all loose.
Okay. Let's sprinkle. Okay. Guys, I got them all out. I literally was like, well, there's watermelon slime on, and then she was like, okay, let's get some watermelon. Let's look at this watermelon slime. It's because I got my yanks in, and it hurts. And one hurts super bad, and I did it. I'm super proud of myself. So she said I could buy something $7 off of Amazon. Guys, if you don't know what Amazon is, what's the best place ever, but my mom and dad don't even know we're filming a video there, or Paxton's not here, only me and Lawson are here by ourselves. Okay. Do you want me to film?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey. Guys, look at that.
You can
Do you want me to go, Lawson, do you want to hold the phone and me go get some cool tools?
Oh yeah, we can do kinetic sand.
No, guys, let's tell Lawson, hey Lawson, I'm gonna go, do you want me to get spoons and forks?
No, let's do kinetic sand.
Okay guys, we have Connect Sand. Do you want me to do this and you do Connect Sand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where is your kinetic sand?
Okay guys, it's down, guys. Let me show my brother where the Connect Sand is. No, not on that one, the other one. Yeah, the bottom.
Okay.
Guys, look at that.
Oh,
We
see it. This one.
Yes, that. Oh, guys, I'm gonna be right back. I'm just going to go get a plate for my brother.
Yeah, get a plate for me.
Yeah, I'll just get a plate.
No, I have those plates.
Okay, guys.
I mean, do we need, wait, I'll just play with it. No, can you give me the phone real quick?
Yeah, guys. Just showing
Can you give me the phone real
like
quick?
that.
Yeah, so this is just our...
Kinetic sand. That's our only
Yeah, it has like...
diamonds. Oh, guys, the best part about it, there's literally like little pearls, and here's somewhere they're like I dig them in or something like that. And I don't know where they are now. Me and also did this challenge.
If you want, how about y'all go watch my video, my Fortnite video that I did, my last video.
Guys, show it to me. Guys, please give us to 100 subscribers. Please subscribe. Okay? Out there.
Begging's not gonna do it.
Guys, my mom actually has a new phone case. I wish y'all could see it. This is her phone. And don't worry about the stinky drill. Well, guys, I hope y'all have super fun because it's Halloween and we got so many candies in here. Guys, if you see us walking down the street in our costumes, y'all could just come up to us. We're just going to have friends and family. And if y'all see us, y'all could just run up. We don't care. Okay. It's showing the spray bottle, you know.
I flattened it out.
Okay, guys, after we watch him play with this, Lawson, do you want to do some ASMR?
With what?
Or slime?
Oh.
Yeah?
Oh, we can't let the cat or the dog get that.
Yeah, that's bad. Oh, that feels so weird. Guys, if y'all type up on Amazon and say, watermelon slime, you'll just find out it's so fun.
Thank you, Bug.
Do you want some skills?
No, thank you.
It's actually not a scam.
What?
Some?
Yeah, but some slimes are scams.
Yeah, some.
Yeah, like they end up not like it says like if it says do not stain on floor, and when you get it, you play with it in your like room or something that's carpeted, like, and it falls on the ground and you can't get it off, that's a scam.
Yeah, and if like you first touch it and like in just 1 second when you start playing with it, it just turns gooey. Scam. Ooh. And it turns like slump, like glue. Scam. We need to get this out.
What?
That.
Oh yeah. Sorry, fly on me.
Guys, we have fruit flies again.
Yeah, there's a fruit fly trap over there.
That's Ruby. We need to do a video about Ruby in June. We should do that.
All right, Mom's home, so bye. Guys.